Hello, how are you? Welcome to my page. Thanks for playing this video. Here's a beautiful song. It's popularized by Dan Hill, and this is rearranged by Raymond Agbada. I would like to shout out all my video sharers. Yung po mga nag-share ng aking mga video, I really appreciate. At yung po mga nagre-react, nagko-comment, at nagbibigay po ng stars. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And this is the song Sometimes When We Touch. I hope you guys like it. Please share. Thank you in advance.
Ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Romance and all its tragedy leaves me battling with my pride. But through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my truth. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I like to break you and drive you to your knees. At times I like to break through and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you tried. I've watched while love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by. At times I think we're drifters, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again. Oh, sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Thanks for watching.